The Nyongbyon Nuclear Scientific Research Center is North Korea's major nuclear facility, operating its first nuclear reactors. It is located in Nyongbyon County in North Pyongan Province, about 100 kilometers north of Pyongyang. The center produced the fissile material for North Korea's 6 nuclear weapon tests from 2006 to 2017, and since 2009 is developing indigenous light water reactor nuclear power station technology. The major installations include all aspects of a Magnox nuclear reactor fuel cycle. Based on the use of natural uranium fuel, Magnox spent fuel is not designed for long-term storage as both the casing and uranium metal core react with water. It is designed to be reprocessed within a few years of removal from a reactor. As a carbon dioxide-cooled, graphite-moderated Magnox reactor does not require difficult-to-produce enriched uranium fuel or a heavy water moderator, it is an attractive choice for a wholly indigenous nuclear reactor development. The Magnox facilities were disabled in 2007 in accord with the six-party talks agreement. But following the breakdown of that agreement were partially re-enabled in 2009 to reprocess existing stocks of spent fuel. On the 15th of September 2015, North Korea announced that the reactor had resumed operation. The center also has an IRT-2000 pool-type research reactor, supplied by the Soviet Union in 1963, operational since 1965. The reactor fuel is IRT-2M type assemblies of 10%, 36% and 80% enriched uranium. As the center has not received fresh fuel since Soviet times, this reactor is now only run occasionally to produce iodine-131 for thyroid cancer radiation therapy. In 2009, the building of a small indigenous experimental light water reactor started. In 2010, a uranium enrichment plant began operating. The Yongbyon Nuclear Scientific Research Center site occupies 24.8 square kilometers. It has 2 sections, the Nuclear Research Section and a larger residential district, separated and surrounded by fencing. Construction of the 5 MWE experimental reactor began in 1980. And the reactor first went critical in 1986. This reactor was an initial small technology-proving reactor for a following development program of larger Magnox reactors. The spent nuclear fuel reprocessing facility appeared to still be under construction in 1992. The 5 MWE experimental reactor operated intermittently until 1994 when it was shut down in accordance with the US-North Korea agreed framework. Following the breakdown of the agreed framework in 2002, operation restarted in February 2003, creating plutonium within its fuel load at a rate of about 6 kilograms per year. The reactor fuel was replaced between April and June 2005. The spent nuclear fuel has been reprocessed with an estimated yield of about 24 to 42 kilograms of plutonium metal, some of which was used for the nuclear weapons involved in the 2006 and 2009 North Korean nuclear tests. Nyongbyon is also the site of a 50 MWE Magnox prototype power reactor. But construction was halted in 1994, about a year from completion in accord with the agreed framework. And by 2004 the structures and pipework had deteriorated badly. This construction was being dismantled in 2010. Another 200 MWE Magnox full-scale power reactor was being constructed at Dacheong, 20 kilometers northwest of Nyongbyon, until construction was also halted in 1994 in accord with the agreed framework. By 2005, reconstruction of this reactor was uneconomic. The reactor designs were based on declassified information about the British Magnox design at Calder Hall and elsewhere, and the spent fuel reprocessing plant on the multinational European company for the chemical processing of a radiated fuels plant at Meaux Desal in Belgium. On the 13th of February 2007, an agreement was reached at the six-party talks that North Korea will shut down and seal the Magnox nuclear reactor and associated facilities and invite back International Atomic Energy Agency personnel to conduct all necessary monitoring and verifications. In return for this, North Korea will receive emergency energy assistance from the other 5 parties in the form of 50,000 tons of heavy fuel oil. International Atomic Energy Agency inspectors arrived at the site on the 28th of June to discuss verification and monitoring arrangements for the shutdown. This had been delayed from April due to a dispute with the United States over Banco Delta Asia. On the 3rd of June, an anonymous South Korean government official indicated that the shutdown may start following the first oil shipment later in the month. On the 14th of July, Sean McCormack stated that North Korea had told the US that the reactor had been shut down. He added that the US welcomed the news and was awaiting verification from the IAEA team. The next day, IAEA Chief Mohammad El-Baradei announced the UN's confirmation that the reactor had been shut down. On the 18th of July 2007, the IAEA confirmed that all 5 nuclear facilities at Myeongbyon had been shut down. In his introductory statement to the IAEA Board of Governors on 2008-03,